central dogma of molecular biology. And it was proposed by Francis Crick. It was proposed by Francis Crick. And he states the genetic information flows from DNA to RNA and RNA to protein. According to Francis Crick, the genetic information flows from DNA to RNA and RNA to protein. RNA to protein. The synthesis of DNA from the based on DNA strand or from the DNA is known as replication. And the synthesis of mRNA from the DNA is known as transcription, or copying of mRNA from the double-stranded DNA is known as transcription. Synthesis of protein from mRNA is known as translation, or formation of polypeptide chain based on the sequence of nitrogen bases present in mRNA is known as translation. All the three processes collectively termed as central dogma. Central dogma. But in some viruses, the flow of genetic information is in reverse direction, and that is from RNA to DNA. In some viruses, the flow of genetic information is in reverse direction. That is from RNA to DNA. And this is what we can call it as reverse transcription. This is, we can call it as a reverse transcription. And it was proposed by Temin and Baltimore. H.M. Temin and David Baltimore. H.M. Temin and David Baltimore. In the honor of H.M. Temin, it is also called as Teminism. Also known as Teminism. That means, whereas in case of central dogma, the mRNA is synthesized from the DNA, but in case of a reverse transcription, the RNA is synthesized from the DNA, and it is also known as a reverse central dogma or central dogma reverse. Central dogma reverse.